Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are excited to show you that we got a new Cove security system. So we chose Cove to work with because frankly the monthly costs are really low. It's like $1 a day for your monitoring and your service, and I really like the equipment that they give you. It's really high quality. It comes down to a lot of the cameras that they have, and I just wanted to show you a quick unboxing of the things that we chose for our home security, because when we're away from our house, we want to make sure that we can keep an eye on things. We want to make sure that if anything goes wrong, if we have any kind of water leak or anything, that we get notified immediately. And we also want to make sure that nobody breaks into our home and steals some of our stuff. So let me give you a quick look at what we did to customize our Cove security system. So this is what we chose for our security system. I'm just going to quickly maybe show you what we did here. And you can customize it any which way you want. And at first I was like, oh my God, Cove, they didn't customize my system for me. They sent me a generic one out of the box. And they did not. They sent me one that's completely customized. Of course, you have your Cove sign to let people know that you are home protected. It tells you exactly what you need to do step by step for it. So step one, to plug in your hub, get everything connected to your internet, everything like that. It tells you how to download and follow the instructions to get it set up on your monitoring on your phone. Then it gives you and shows you all of your equipment. So it shows your hub, shows you all your additional equipment, shows your little screen for it. And you could just keep seeing how they did this. They did such a nice job of just packing all of your stuff in there. So we did 2 outdoor security cameras. What I love about these is they work off of solar power. So don't worry about batteries. Everyone's like, oh, my batteries are great. Okay, yeah, maybe, but these you don't have to worry about. They're solar powered. I got 1 indoor camera, so I can put it in my main room, so I can make sure that I can monitor everything going on in the house. I got door sensors. So each of these is a door sensor. You can see how nice and small they are, and they're just basically little quick sensors that you can put in for each of the doors. So I have 4 doors to my home, so I'm going to do that for each door. And then you could do the same sort of monitoring that you have on your doors. You can do that with every single window if you want. So a lot of people do that. They do all their low windows and things like that. We prefer to use motion sensors. So this is a motion sensor. So we got a couple of these. We're going to put these in the corner of the 2 main rooms of the house. We got that. We love these. These are little flood sensors. So we're going to put one of these in our laundry room upstairs. And basically it detects any water and it'll alert and tell us that there is water in the home. And then we know before it gets worse or we have other problems. Additional equipment stuff. Obviously you come with, I should show you this. This is really the other thing that's really kind of nice and it's unique to Cove as compared to some of their competitors is I love this screen system for theirs. Some of them come with a very like touchpad that looks kind of 1982. Cove has a nice screen to it, and you can set this up anywhere you'd like. So we're gonna do that and set that up in our home. And then these are just additional products, additional info, or additional things for the system itself. But this is our system. So again, you can customize it any which way you want. It's nice that you can just get what you need, but you don't have to get too much. You don't have to get too little. And it all works extremely well off of one system. We're going to show you that as we go, but this is a doorbell camera as well. So we're going to get that. It's 2K doorbell camera, so it's high def. Fantastic. So we're going to do that. That's really what you get in your entire Cove system. So let me just summarize the reason we decided that we wanted to work and choose to work with Cove. So one is it's completely customizable. So no matter what size house you have, you get exactly what you need for your house, for your system. It's a la carte. So you can choose as many monitors you want. You can do every window in your house if you want. You can just do, ones that are exposed to the front of the home. You can do whatever you want. And so that's what I love about it is it's customizable. It's also really budget friendly for what you get, for the high-end feel of all the equipment that you get, the look of the equipment that you get. It's very high-end. And it's budget friendly for the cost of what you're getting for your system. So I love that feature as well. So compared to others in the market, you could save thousands by setting up and do it yourself with Cove. So that's what we love about it, that you can do that. We've had other systems before where they come and professionally install them, and we spent thousands on equipment, then we spent a ton of money every month for monthly fees, and it just wasn't worth it because they really come and do pretty much the same thing that you do yourself. and it's really quick and easy for you to get set up. And then you know your system extremely well as well. Okay, so this is just an unboxing video. We wanted to show you how we customized our home. So we'll do another video and we'll show you how easy it is to get it installed. We'll show you how it gets really set up within our house and that sort of thing. And we'll show more videos of just really how each of the functions and features work with each of the pieces of equipment. Okay, so if you guys want to check this out, we're gonna put our link in the description below. You can check it out yourself. You can price all your system out and that sort of thing. If you have questions, ask us. We'll gladly help you with anything you need. And that's it. And we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Super thanks is always welcome. And if you're looking for a security system, I highly recommend you check out Cove.